Take y'all back a few years on this one. Little story behind this song here. Back when our dad was in the Air Force, he would get up every morning. This was probably around the 70s, 72, probably when this song came out, I believe. Dad would get up every morning and listen to this song repeatedly before he actually went to work there at Barksdale Air Force Base. And so it's kind of sentimental for me and probably for my brothers and sisters. But anyway, take it back a few years. This is Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water, yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know it's been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know it didn't stop, I wonder, yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain, yeah, coming down on a sunny day? See you next time.